Hi guys, welcome to another Southway 1943 video. Today we are taking a look at the Hornby Digital Sounds R2902XS EWS Livery 060 Diesel Shunter Class 08, named Chris Wren, and it was around from 1955 to 2002. I do believe that this shunter is no longer with us, I'm afraid, in the real world. As you can see, it's second hand. I bought it from my local model shop in Sutton Coldfield, and it should have been 170, but because I got to know the people in there and I've become a regular, they knocked it down to 150. Now, I'm not going to do an unboxing, but if I just push the box up, the sleeve off a little bit, as you can see, it's the usual normal cardboard box from Hornby with the usual plastic front, two plastic bits at the ends, and the usual polystyrene. So it's the old style for Hornby there. The loco itself is in absolute mint condition. As I said, it is DCC sounds, and as I said, the number is 0844, and it is called Chris Wren, and as you can see, it's in the rather fetching EWS livery. The only thing that I will say about Hornby and Bachmann is, with the modern day technology, I wish they would try and fit, the lights to the front and back of the loco. Because with modern day technology, fibre optics, it would be quite so simple to fit, lighting onto one of these units. But the person that had it before has fitted the details like the lamp holders. He's fitted a little bit of buffer detail, but as you can see, it's in absolute excellent condition, and it is a good runner. All bits are there. I mean, there you go. You can see where he's put every single lamp iron on. Now, I wouldn't have the patience to do this, but it's what I'm saying again. The two lights there. How hard would it be for Hornby or Bachmann to come up with a little way of making directional lights on here? Now, would I recommend this? Yes, I definitely would. What do you get sound wise on this? Well, obviously F1 is the usual start up and shut down. On the start up, it's usual for Hornby, it's like a warm start, so nothing out of the difference. If you go to say like Lego Man Biffo, you can get cold and warm starts with his DCC chips. Function 2 is a little air horn whistle. F3 would be your coupler. F4 is your usual compressor. F5 is brake release. F6 is shunting mode. F7 is air horn short, and it is very short. And F8 is diesel notch up, and F9 is diesel notch up down. Now, it's only got the 9 functions, but with a little shunter, it's only running around a little depot or a yard, so you don't need mega functions on here. But it's only got 9 functions, and Hornby, Bachmann, they could quite easily, with all the functions that are available, with the lock sound decoders that are available now, with DCC controllers that are getting more and more technology inside them, why can't they put lights in these? Again, another class of loco that Bachmann have had for a long time, the class 20. Why haven't they put lights into one of them? It would be so simple. But looking at the loco, it is a very good runner. The sound is good. When I bought it, all the sounds were set to default from Hornby's factory. I've actually gone into the CV settings, which is, for the first time in my life of being in DCC, I've actually started playing with the CV settings. I've turned the volume up slightly by about 2. I've made the acceleration so you know you can throttle it right up and it will accelerate slower. I've made it so it decelerates slower, as in, I hate to say the word, so it's more prototypical of the actual real loco. But they, you know, it is a very good loco. Would I buy it again with a sound chip? I don't know. Would I take the sound chip out of this one and replace it with a Legoman Biffo? I've seen how hard it is just to get a normal DCC chip into one of these, let alone one with a speaker. I don't know. I'd actually probably find somebody to actually put it in for me. But this, you know, guys, it is what it is, and it's second hand, and I thought it was a bit of a bargain, and it was a late Christmas present from my partner, and yeah, I quite like it. So that's the little look at the Hornby's R2902XS EWS Class 08 shunter. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you have, please click the like button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next one. Take care now, guys. Bye.